In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could change your Fortnite name quickly. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and open up Fortnite and go to the main lobby. And if you look up in the top right corner, you're going to see your profile picture. Go ahead and select that. From here, you need to go ahead and open up your settings just by selecting the settings tab. And in the settings tab, go all the way over to the far right to the account and privacy tab and just make sure that these two options are turned off. You need to find the option for hide your display name from stream snipers and hide other display names on your stream. Go ahead and turn those off, apply those settings, and then go ahead and back out. And this is going to be your current name. Essentially, what you want to go ahead and do now is close out of Fortnite. Open up a web browser of your choice and search for epicgames.com. Hit enter. It's going to load you to a page that looks like this where you need to sign into your account up in the top right. Once you sign into your account, select your account and then hit account settings. And this will take you to the account settings page where in this first tab, you're going to see the option to change your display names. Essentially, go ahead and click on this pencil, change it here, tick this box and hit continue. Now, obviously, if it pops up with like a red font, for example, it's not going to let you change your name to that. So just keep that in mind. Mine is good, but if I put something like Just Balls on YT, for example, this is my current name. It's going to say it's already in use and I won't be able to continue. But set it to whatever you want, hit continue, and you'll be good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.